Hi guys, EBPMAN here with Tablets for Me, and today we're going to take a look at a smart car charger. This smart car charger was brought to us by ZUS. So now let's take a look at some of the features that make the car charger so unique. Again, during the intro I refer to this charger as a smart charger, and the reason why it's smart is because, well, it does several things. One of the things that I find that is the coolest is the fact that you can use the car charger to help you locate your car. So with the app that you install on either your Android device or your iPhone, the car charger is going to serve as a beacon to help you find your car, especially if it's in a parking lot. If that's not cool enough, there are other things that are going on here. It is a rapid charger, not to be confused with Qualcomm 2.0 or Qualcomm 3.0 fast charging, but it is a rapid charger that will allow you to charge your iPad, your iPhone, virtually or any Android device much faster than it would using a typical charger. And it features intelligent charging. So you're not going to have to worry about, what port do I plug it into and will it damage my device or not. The charger is going to supply the amount of current appropriate for your device to charge it as fast as possible. That's really important. The other thing is, the design, the quality, it's a very sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap in any way. It is a military grade quality type design. So you're looking at the fact that as you have the car charger in your car, and depending on what part of the United States or depending on where you are in the world, cars can tend to get really hot, and that really wreaks havoc with a lot of the electronics. Given the design and given the overall materials that are being used with this car charger, you're not going to have to worry about the electronics that are part of the charger being impacted. Also, they really did a nice job when it came to the lighting. Some really cool lighting that they put in, so they really thought about the design as well. So this product is made in Germany, and what we're going to do is do the unboxing and check it out. Now inside the box you'll find an instruction guide and the car charger. Now taking a closer look at the car charger itself, it really has kind of a stealth kind of look to it. So it's all black. You notice that the contact points here, that when you put this in your cigarette lighter, they're also black. The tip doesn't really have the traditional model that you see with a lot of car chargers. It's almost like an arrowhead. So they've really given this almost like I would say it looks almost like a stealth fighter type look. So really nicely designed, and the material itself feels very robust. So when it comes to that military grade type material, you can feel that this doesn't feel like a cheap charger at all. Here you'll notice that you have two charging ports, one on each side, and then you have some LEDs that will light up in the front. So the next step is to go to the appropriate operating system and ecosystem. So in this case, if you're using an iPhone, you just type in the word ZUS in the Apple Store, you'd find it, or if you're in an Android, you just go into the Play Store and look for ZUS and find it, and then install it. Now before charging or demonstrating the connection to both of these devices, the first thing I'm going to do is going to connect it. We'll show this in a vehicle as well. I just want to show you what the power up looks like. So once you plug it into your vehicle, what you'll notice is that you'll have some very discrete lights, LEDs, showing you where to plug your USB cable. I think this is pretty cool. See how that looks like right there? And then what you have here is this blinking LED is indicating that since this is Bluetooth capable, that it is in pairing mode. And that's where the app is going to come in. You'll start up the app, you'll pair it to the car charger so that you can use the location-based features. Now the first time you go into the app, you have to sign in or log into your account. So if you already have an account, you can just choose log in. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and sign up for the service. Now once you've signed up, and it's pretty simple, all you do is put in your email and a password. You're going to come to this screen right here, and all you're going to choose is hit continue, and it's going to search for the charger. Notice it did find it already, so here it is, and because it was in such close proximity, you do this obviously in your car. I'm doing it here in my studio. You'll notice that the light is now solid white, indicating that it's already been paired, and you can see on the screen that it's already connected. Now, just to go over the app just for a couple seconds, what we can do is tap the settings icon, and here you can see your account information. So you have your email, if parking sounds are going to be made, the unit in which it's going to be measured, the distance, and then you have some FAQs and referral information. Very, very simple to use, and you'll notice that there's also software and a firmware version, which kind of leads me to believe that this device is firmware upgradable, which is also really neat if that's possible through your phone. You're seeing more and more of this happen with a lot of devices, headsets. I know Plantronics does this as well, where you can use your phone to wirelessly update the device. So that's a cool feature. So now let's go through the charging process. So I'm going to plug the iPhone first into one of the ports. And remember, this features intelligent charging. So as soon as I plug it in, it's going to know the type of current that the iPhone's going to need, and it goes into charging, as you saw. Now on the other port, I'm going to choose my Note. Plug that in. And you notice that the Note lit up, indicating that it's also charging. So both devices are charging at the same time. And keep in mind that the charger itself is going to look to provide the maximum amount of current to these devices to charge them at the fastest possible speed. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you how the actual location services works with the ZUS car charger. You'll notice that it's telling me right now that my car is 60 feet away. So I'm just going to turn around so you can see how it works. And I just have my car in my driveway. And it says that it's 75 feet away from me. So I'm just going to walk towards the car. And what you're going to see is as I'm getting closer, it's pointing actually in the direction of my vehicle, which is pretty accurate at this point. And I'm just going to stop because it's going to calculate. You notice that now it says that I'm 60 feet away. I'm going to get closer again, and it's pointing. And my car is actually to the left of me, so it is pointing to where my car is. And I'm going to stop again. I'm going to let it see if it tells us what the difference is. And notice it's saying it's 45, and it's saying that my car is definitely nearby. And it's not just nearby, but it's within eye distance. So if I were to just look, and you'll notice right here it says that it's at least 20 feet away, my car is 20 feet away. So this is a pretty cool product if those of you who very oftenly forget where your car is or have a hard time finding it. So just a couple things regarding the overall tracking of your car. It works very well. You saw when I was doing the demo just outside of my home how I was able to locate the car. Well, I did some additional testing in larger parking lots, and I can say that the responsiveness of the distance between where I was in the car, the count of the feet, and the directionality was spot on. I was literally like in a Best Buy store, and my car was on the parking lot, and from inside the store, I was able to see what direction my car was, and as I got closer to it, the feet, the numbers actually dropped really nicely. Now, one thing about the GPS capabilities is, like many devices, if this is in an underground garage, if this is in a covered area, it's not going to be as accurate or as functional as if it would if the car is in an open parking lot. So great capabilities, easy to use, and as you can see, it really works. So this concludes our review of the ZUS Smart Car Charger. I want to thank ZUS for making the product available to us for review on this channel, and I also want to thank you for watching. If you have any comments or questions about this product, I'm going to have a link to the product in the comment area. Please leave it below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.